Breaking news coming in. Shiv Sena MPs have reached the Ghazipur border to meet the protesting farmers. Sanjay Raut is at the moment meeting Rakesh Tiket. This is the latest coming in of the farm laws showdown. Shiv Sena MPs right there at the Ghazipur border. That's the breaking news coming in at the moment. Sanjay Raut meeting Rakesh Tiket. In fact, listening.
राजनीतिक आंदोलन नहीं है। सबको विरोध किया था, कोई राजनीतिक पार्टी या दल यहाँ ना आए।
सबका किसी को मंच पर नहीं आने का
ये भी
आए हैं
और
मंच से माइक पर नहीं।
और जब 26 तारीख के बाद जिस तरह से यहाँ दहशतवाद हो गया, यहाँ जिस तरह से सबको कुचलने की कोशिश की हमारे किसानों को, टिकैत साहब को, तो हमको लगा कि हमारी ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है, हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है महाराष्ट्र के लोगों का कि उनके साथ खड़े रहे, उनको हमारी संवेदना दे और कहे कि पूरा राज्य, पूरी शिवसेना, उद्धव ठाकरे साहब और हम सब उनके साथ हैं।
Anisha Mathur is joining us live for the very latest on the story. Anisha, Sanjay Raut has reached right there at the protest site and he's going to be meeting Rakesh Tiket and get into a discussion. What does Sanjay Raut really hope to achieve from this discussion?
Well, Chaiti, now you've seen for the last 70 days no political leader was given any space at the Kisan Morcha stage. While people kept coming to meet, nobody was allowed to go on the stage. But today we've seen Sanjay Raut and Shiv Sena MPs saying that they are extending support. This is now because the budget session has begun. Political parties also trying to show their solidarity to this Kisan protest, which has been going on for the last 70 days now. Today is day 70 of the protests at the borders. I'm at the Singhu border right now, and you can see the kind of security arrangements that have been put in place even at Ghazipur border as well as Tikri border. Heavy security deployment has been put in place because the Kisan Morcha has now declared there will be a Chakka jam on the 6th of February in various parts of the country. It is very clear that the standoff between the Kisan Morcha and the government is set to continue even now, despite what happened last week on the 26th of January. Then what happened after that, the kind of security arrangements that have been put in place. We saw people claiming to be locals coming in and saying that we are sick and tired of this continuing protest. And of course, the heavy deployment of security arrangements in all these borders to ensure that the repeat of 26 January chaos, the fiasco, does not take place. We are, however, seeing now statements coming in from various political parties, from members of parliament. Today, Sanjay Raut is there. The Congress party has made statements regarding the security arrangements. Several other political parties have jumped in to criticize the government over what is happening at the borders. The government, of course, has once again said that the doors of talks are open, but the Kisan Morcha has been very clear in their statement, saying that the government on one hand is saying that the doors to communication are open, and on the other hand, many people have been arrested. This kind of security arrangements that have been put in place seem to indicate that they are creating this into an open jail. So a lot of things are being said from all sides. But it is ultimately the standoff between the government and the Kisan Morcha is continuing. Chaiti.
Yes, net, what we can take away from that is that the standoff has not been resolved as yet. From the visuals that are coming in, you can tell that the standoff still continues. I thank you very much, Anisha, for joining us. We are coming back to you in just about a bit for the latest updates that are coming in from the 69th day of the protests.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.